This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making Chinese 5-spice ribs with Hoisin Honey BBQ sauce.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
We are cooking these ribs in a pressure cooker and finishing them off in an oven broiler. So these ribs will be quick to cook and the oven will give it that barbecue look and flavor. I have here 1.2 kilograms of ribs. Remove the silver skin at the back of the ribs. It can be difficult to grate with your bare hands, so use a paper towel. Marinate the ribs with 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil will allow the spices to stick better to the meat. 4 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon of 5-spice powder. 2 teaspoons of white pepper. 2 teaspoons of salt. Marinate the other side as well. Set the ribs aside for 2 hours or overnight for the flavors to penetrate into the ribs. Pour 2 cups of water into the pressure cooker. This will create the steam needed for pressure cooking. You can of course use your Instant Pot or any multi-cooker you may have. I am just using an old-fashioned pressure cooker here. Put a rag at the bottom of the pot and the ribs on top of it. This keeps the ribs off the bottom. If you are making a lot of ribs, you can remove the rag and just stand the ribs at the bottom. Pressure cook the ribs for 20 minutes. This will give your meat a little chew. If you prefer your meat to be fall off the bone tender, add another 10 minutes of cooking time. As a rule of thumb, cook every 2 pounds or 0.9 kilograms of ribs for 15 minutes to have meat with a little bit of chew. Add 50% more cooking time if you prefer fall off the bone tender. Meanwhile, make the Hoisin barbecue sauce by simply mixing 4 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, half a teaspoon of 5-spice powder, dash of white pepper, and 1 tablespoon of water to thin it out a little. Put the ribs on the baking tray. Brush on the honey Hoisin barbecue sauce. Using the boil function, place the ribs on the top rack of your oven. Turn the ribs over and baste the other side as well. Chinese 5-spice ribs with Hoisin Honey BBQ sauce. Thanks for watching Busy Daddy Cooks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You may also want to check out some of my other quick and easy recipes.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.